Hello everyone, this is Devang Katikar from DK Talks. This is the first history content based video. I hope that you all will enjoy it. So prior to starting with the entire journey of history, let us first figure out what is the basic meaning of the word history. So for me, history basically means a series of events that have happened in the past. But due to the grace of certain Britishers who came down to this country to exploit us, the entire word history can be divided into two senses. First is the normal history, and the second is a word which is coined by Macaulay. So Macaulay was a British historian. Actually, he wasn't a British historian. He was a person who assisted the East India Company to devise a plan so that they can rule over a particular territory. So पूरी रिसर्च करके मैक्यूले ने उन्हें बताया कि it's very difficult to rule over India because it has a history of valor, pride, courage. And if you impose certain restrictions on these people, they are bound to revolt because history teaches them. We have a history of Mahabharata, we have a history of Ramayana, they have a history of Ramayana. So they will revolt. So Macaulay said, let's do something, let's coin a word for that and say कि भाई ये तो तुम्हारा history है ही नहीं. This is a story which you are telling. This is not your history. So they coined a word, mythology, for that. This word mythology is there in every English scripture when you go through. But if you go through Hindi or Marathi scriptures, अगर आप कोई हिंदी या मराठी बुक पढ़ते हो या कुछ वीडियो देखते हो, इसका सिनोनिम कहीं भी नहीं मिलता आपको. You cannot get a single synonym for the word mythology in Marathi or Hindi. Why it's so? Because this is the word coined by the Britishers themselves. हमारे पास कोई mythology ऐसा word ही नहीं है. Because the traces of this Mahabharata, of Ramayana can be seen in the map of country. You can figure out it geographically. आप देख सकते हो इंडिया के मैप पे. I have posted a PPT presentation in the description. You can see that in the maps in that PPT presentation. For example, Ramayana के तो बहुत सारी events visible है. You can see Sharyu River, you can see Ayodhya, you can see that Ram Setu, you can see Lanka, which is now Sri Lanka. So all the evidences are visible geographically. Then how can you call it as a mythology? ये story नहीं है. This is our history. Also, certain evidences from Mahabharata are also widely visible. अगर आपने B.R. चोपड़ा का जो महाभारत है वो देखा होगा टीवी पे, it's very interesting. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it on YouTube. It's very interesting. You will get a clear idea of the entire story of Mahabharata. So in that Mahabharata, it's explained कि भाई अंग नरेश कर्ण, दुर्योधन ने कर्ण को अंग नरेश बना दिया. He made him king of Anga Desh. That Anga Desh is visible on the map of India. गंधार नरेश शकुनी जो आए थे वहां से, जो गांधारी के भाई थे. He was brother of Gandhari. So that Gandhar Naresh, Gandhar is Kandhar right now, and Kandhar is in Afghanistan, which was earlier the capital of Afghans. So you can see it visibly. You can see Panchal on the map. Panchali जो द्रौपदी थी वो पांचाल की थी. Panchal is there visible on the map. It's a territory. You can see Kuru, you can see Puru, Porus, जिसने Alexander को defeat किया था. You can see that Puru on the map. You can see Kurukshetra. So all these evidences are visible. Then why do you call it as a mythology? You can see the Harappan civilization, you can see the Mohenjo-daro civilization which is there in Pakistan right now. You can see that evidently. Then why do you call it as a mythology? Please don't call it as a mythology. Please call it as a history. And I do really feel in books or in the scriptures that you publish which are there in English, please don't call it as mythology, call it as history. Because all the evidences are visible and still you call it as a mythology, it doesn't make sense. It's history of our country, it's history of our people, it's history of us, our ancestors who fought bravely so that we could experience this pride right now. So this is not a mythology, it is not a fairy tale, it's our history. We should be proud about that and we should say that it's not mythology. So kindly, please have this background regarding the contents that I'm gonna share after this video. So I end this video right here. Please subscribe, share and like to my video and enjoy watching this channel. Thank you.